Let me check. When a Tomfool Day? Sorry, I meant All Fool's Day. Oh yes, April 1. But seriously though, say your auntie can show up looking like your uncle? Yes, this same day here is one heap of drama. Some people have experienced physical pain and sent on a wild goose chase, while others are gifted with empty boxes. Not nice at all. All Fool's Day can be extreme, even in the loo. So take it from me. Somebody a plan for you, so prepare yourself. This Saturday, share your Tomfool Day tory, no matter where you are from. All Fool's Day. Don't wait to hear gotcha a Saturday morning runnings. Come, make we talk.